Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to a new video. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to sell books on Amazon KDP. So first of all, what I need you to do is go to any browser you have on your PC or even your phones and go and search for Amazon KDP. Now as you can see, this is shop ebook for Kindle. Now if we click on it or click on the second one, what you are supposed to do is basically click and connect your wallet or to your account. So connection, accept. If you don't have an account already, it's pretty decent how you can make it. You can just go to Amazon and just from here guys, you can just from Amazon website create your own account from here. Let's go sign out, and yeah, basically you just can create your account normally. So here guys, what you are supposed to do is, for example, you want to add a new book or something like that, you just add to here, click create. Here there's different kinds, so ebook, Kindle, livre projet, livre relié, page de la série. It depends. For me, I have the page in French, so let me just translate it if I can. I don't think I can. Okay, let's translate it from here, English. So yeah, Kindle ebook, paperback, hardcover, and series page. You can choose whatever you'd like from these, and after that, after you click on create ebook, for example, here you put language, the book title, series, and here edition number, author, contributors, description, publishing rights. I own it like that. Keywords if you want to add, categories, age and grade range, pre-order, etc. And then you click on save and continue. It will go to the second step, and then the content, and then the pricing. So after you finish with that, you'll publish it and you will see it on Amazon KDP webpage. So that was it with today's video guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you for watching.